way, but you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock DMs cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga?
So y'all see what's going on right now. Another day, another dollar. What you mean, bro? Why you worried about what are you worrying about what I'm doing?
Yo,
you always do that.
I'm just trying to help you out.
The man worrying about what I'm doing. Anyways, my car is dead, first of all. So we had to get some jumper cables and things of that nature to charge my battery. Oh, let me open mine. Put this in here. Right. And this car is going to BMW. I'm returning the sender.
So returning it?
Returning the sender. I'm about to sell my car. It's going. M5 comp. Where you going, bro? You set this up. But yeah, my battery dead, so I'm about to take it to BMW, have them replace the battery and do everything they supposed to do. Cause you know, that's what warranty's for. You plug all this stuff up.
Make sure you plug it up straight.
But please shut up. Please. Man, gonna tell me what to do.
Better jump it with the machine.
With the what? Gotta unlock this.
No, you do it right here, ain't you?
What about the ground?
You gotta plus it in there.
What the negative? Exactly, the ground is under here, ain't it?
I guess.
Yeah. Car hot?
The ground could be one of these bolts, huh?
Yeah, anything metal.
Put the ground first.
And then we about to head to BMW because I can't be having this. I was supposed to get tuned today. I was supposed to install my springs. Mind you, all this is happening around like 1 o'clock. It's like 6 o'clock right now. That's the annoying thing.
You just try to get this thing to start. Hey, bro, it better start off for this.
It's not gonna start. It's not gonna start. And if it don't start, the grits. Whoa. There's no way. Hold on. Nah. Nah. Hold on.
Not starting, bro.
It's your jumper cables. Hold on. So after failed attempts of trying to jump my car, the conclusion was to get it towed. So right now I'm waiting on a tow truck. It's about to head over to BMW because my battery is completely dead. Not gonna lie to y'all, now I'm mad because it's like the next day, my battery was dead where I was at, and this is the wrong battery, right? So now I gotta return this battery, go get another battery from my dog at the shop. Like, I know it's the right battery because like he works on BMWs and all that other stuff. So now I gotta see if they finna give me my breech back and all that other stuff and XYZ. But good news is I'm finna get a new battery. I'm finna tune my car. Oh snap, let me fix this real quick. I'm finna get a new battery. I'm finna tune my car. And I'm finna put on my lowering springs all at one time. Get all out the way. I was gonna put on multiple videos, but at this point, I don't even want to speak on it right now. It's a lot. Like, imagine going back and forth from I don't like doing stuff more than one time or inconvenience. So imagine not having your whip like in a stable condition and all that. Like, you gotta ask people to go get this for you. You gotta take Ubers, XYZ. Like, it's annoying. So right now I'm heading to the Advance where I got the battery from. They finna give me back my breech. Go get this other battery from the shop. They finna install it, code it, do all that. And yeah. So speaking on that, when I went to BMW and everything like that, I don't even know if I said it in the previous clips or whatever. I forgot. But BMW tried to charge me like $700 for a battery and to code it. I didn't even know you had to code a BMW battery. Like, why would you need to do that? That's retarded. But you know what they say, foreign shit. Like it's a lot. So get a new battery, install my springs, DM me a lock and tune, and that's what we're doing today. And then the next day I probably gotta go get an alignment. I might just go get XHP, start looking at some wheels, my lip. Like it's a lot. Niggas about to spend some breach on retarded shit. So stay tuned for that. Watch the video, like the video, watch the whole entire video, cause I gotta make them back ends. Oh man, so I just secured the new battery. I'm about to slide to my boy's shop right now. He finna install my new battery, and then I'm finna come back after hours to install my springs, get my DME unlocked, and tune my car. And then we should just go from there. After that, I had to get me some wheels and everything, cause I think these tires on these wheels is kinda bizzled. And I ain't trying to be spinning like crazy, but we gonna see what's up. It's about to be a long process, but boy, if you into cars, know what you're getting into before you get into it. I'm gonna let you know that right now. Like, it's crazy. Shout out to my boy JJ. My boy switching out my battery for me. And he finna take care of all my things for the 40, you feel me? My boy about to get me right. After doing all these headaches with this battery thing, now I know for next time, if I need a battery, I gotta get the battery, I gotta code the battery, I gotta do XYZ for the battery. Like it's a lot, but it's gonna be worth it. Bro, you know how much ripping and running I had to do for a fucking battery? Out with the old, in with the new. BMW bullshit. Look at that. Big ass battery. Make no sense. Shout out to that boy JJ though. That boy getting me right. I ain't gonna lie, cause BMW is trying to tax for no reason. Back in there, boy. Starting right up, too, dude. A battery. Crazy. That made no sense. The DME coming out. I never seen a DME. Not gonna lie to you. I always seen it in videos. I never seen it in person. It's crazy. I never knew it was right there either. But what he was saying was basically the car is gonna be tuned, right? But I gotta send he doing the reading to the DME. Like he gotta take it out, do the reading, whatever, and then send whatever to the dude. He gonna unlock it, but I got the tune already. Once it's unlocked, I just flash the tune and I'll be straight. So my battery done, got my tune. The DME is gonna take like a day or two until it's like actually unlocked, but it's getting unlocked. About to do my springs, and then we gonna be Gucci. Then it's on to more aesthetic parts and things of that nature. I gotta get my lip, I gotta do wheels, and yeah, the boy gonna be Gucci. Start doing interior Mars after that. But should have been did this. I don't know why I was being lazy. But better late than never. You feel me? This man. Oh shit. Hold on. VIP Uber, bitch. Uber. Uber?
Where the Buick at?
Oop. That Buick. I ain't got no Buick, bro. Shout out to this man, Slow Life Princess, bro. Man, just
Get
come.
on my car, bro.
Man, then come save me for the day. Gotta go get these springs real quick. It's over there. But the DME gonna take like, he said they gotta send it for a reading, and then what he said after that? They send it for a reading, and then he gonna put the DME back in, and I'll be able to drive it. And then when it comes in, he gonna flash it. But I have my tune and everything like that.
So you already paid for the tune and all that?
Yeah, just gotta wait for the DME to be quote unquote unlocked.
So
just gotta install the spring now.
that's gonna take how long?
I think it's a day. I gotta come back like tomorrow or something like that. But about to go get these springs real quick. I haven't seen my car on the lift in a minute. Last time it was on there, what, downpipes? I said last time my car was on the lift, it was on what, downpipes? Dang, I didn't even turn this on, man. Shit bright in here. The what? Finally installing my springs, and then I gotta get.
How you feel?
Fastest what?
You don't have the fastest Buick.
Bro, my car is slow. 40? What happened, bro?
This man's
I ain't getting nothing done, bro.
Custom tune.
Custom tune is crazy.
That's what you say you doing.
Nah, bro, I ain't got no custom tune.
Upgraded turbo, 72.
I got OTSW.
That nigga say he going 72, 75.
I got Octane 900.
Nigga, I'm tuned on 87. You over here?
87?
Yes.
Bro, please be quiet, bro. Please be quiet.
I'm tuned on 87.
87 tune? Bro, you know I'm on Go Racebox?
Get.
Fuck. Yo, the nigga, he popped the bonnet and was like, mirror eyes. He said, what is?
He said I could record it, dude.
Hey, that boy closed the trunk quick. I mean, the hood quick. Yo, that's funny, bro. That boy got the whole big ass turbo in that bitch. You what? You Kagan 2 and what?
OTS, bro.
OTS. OTS.
Wait, what do you got?
340.
That nigga going custom on MHD, nigga.
I ain't got nothing, bro. I'm stock. Bro, my DME locked. I'm stock, bro. I ain't got nothing done to the whippy. Upgraded turbo. Y'all hear the y'all hear the behind the scenes?
I want to put top mount on the Gen 2 because you can make way more power on the Gen 1. But you can make easy 900. Easy.
900? 900, huh? 900, huh? Y'all hear it here first, bro. This man Jordan going top mount turbo.
I still want quick spool. Yeah, I still want quick spool.
This
I love the quick spool.
Huge turbo. I ain't gonna show you this man kit, bro, but upgraded turbo coming soon.
You want to run from the bottom down up here done already, right?
I'm gonna have a full spool kit.
The reason I wasn't gonna miss.
That boy.
Yeah,
Nothing little come to JJ built. Straight fast cars.
straight fast cars.
You see this? What y'all doing? Spool performance.
Yeah, you gotta get that spool.
I was shocked when F1 stock there. I thought F1 stock there was gonna go with K.
Nah, he went with spool.
He's not keeping that cake on there. It's just taking that.
For right now, right?
Oh yeah, cause the sponsorship, ain't it? Yeah.
When we start seeing everybody going upgraded turbo, like,
Bro,
everybody's car upgraded turbo.
First of all, the mods for the 340 was just gonna be downpipe too. Now every 340 we see got top mount turbos and all this extra shit.
I wanna go top mount turbo.
Now you wanna go top mount. Everyone got top mount now, bro. That shit. It's the inevitable. You might as well go top mount. You can't beat them, join them.
I'm trying to go to space.
Yo, bro, it's been like not even an hour. It should been like what, 45 minutes? Spring's done.
It's been like what, 30 minutes, bro?
30 minutes.
We just got here.
Just got here. That's that JJ built shit.
Yeah, bro, that nigga done already.
God.
You know what it's like? You know that guy from Cars?
Cars. Oh,
Guy from Cars.
the pit stop nigga.
Yeah, pit stop.
Bro,
That's how fast it was.
them boy did that be quick. God damn. And then I gotta go get a what's that shit? I gotta get that.
I thought you about to say some crazy shit.
Bro, nah, bro, I gotta get a alignment. That's it, bro. That's a alignment, bro.
Get that cinematic mode.
Nothing, just a. All I gotta get is a alignment. That's it. That's all. Cause my fast guy parts ain't done yet.
You said my upgraded turbo is it?
Yo what? Yo what? Oh man. Wait, hold on, let me see your case real quick. What it say?
Say fast life on it.
Wow. Okay. This man trying to get free promo. What you just say, bro? Get your what?
Get your cases, bro.
Get your cases, bro. Rock a black case. That's it. But this about to be done. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, let me put my phone away. We done. I think he said he just gotta tighten up everything and then lower it, and then we're gonna see that after how it look, how much it dropped. But they still gotta settle in, and I still gotta get alignment. So this is not really the final product.
We also have some fittings that we will have to change out later.
Oh, that bit dark. Hold on, I can't even see. Yeah. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Yeah, they about to drop it. Let's see how this done look. It's gonna be. How low you think it's gonna drop?
I was just about to ask you.
That bit gonna drop 12 inches. On the floor? Chill out, bro. I ain't trying to be low. I'm just trying to. Chill out, bro. Let's see how it look, bro. Mind you, it's not even gonna be settled in yet. This is gonna be like the standard drop. God.
Yo! Okay, now that looks better.
God.
Damn, that boy look like he's fast already, bro.
Chill out, bro. That jump dropped like how much? It was like a. It still got space, but like it closed the gap a lot.
That's a good height.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get the. We see the other side. Yeah, nah, I ain't gonna lie. That shit, all right.
Hey, bro, remember, go sideways.
Huh?
Remember, go sideways.
Go sideways. What you talking about?
Nigga, you got your car a little bit lower now, so remember.
Oh yeah. I'm like, what you talking about? Yeah. Chill out, bro. I gotta get my wheels now. Let me know what wheels I should get, black or chrome. I think I'm gonna go black.
I said chrome.
No, bro. What's wrong with you? You should have went. Sheesh. Car finally lowered. Yeah. Keep these shit. Where they at? I think it's right there. I think it's two of them right here. Grab them. Let me ask them how the drive was. Sheesh. Oh, it's a kitty cat. How was it?
It's good.
Felt good?
Drive smooth, no noises.
Bet. It's looking crazy now. I gotta put my wheels on now. Car lower now. I gotta get alignment tomorrow.
Yeah, I recommend alignment. It shouldn't be too off because I tried to leave the turn.
Okay, so that's going to conclude today's video. I got a new battery, got my springs installed, and I just got my DME sent off to get tuned and everything like that. So stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna do everything crazy. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. It's been your boy Von, and I'm gone.